Oh, it's that time again. It's that time. It's that time. We are starting to show what positive news does. You know, Tesla had negative news saying but Tesla's been going up, and Tesla's a fighter. But I'm not going to show you Tesla today. I'm going to show you some of the competition that's coming out in the tech market. I picked up I think a gem this a couple of weeks ago, and I said, okay, I picked it up for 18 cents, and I bought 5,000 shares, and they have an RFP. They responded to an RFP that's dealing with microchips, the teaching, to K1 through 12. I mean, I think it's K something to 12. And they are the United States is trying to get that market back, the market that they had, the microchip market. So I don't have that much time, but what time I do have, I want you to understand. So I'm gonna share my screen. First, I'm sharing with the tool, give you about 5 minutes of, a brief description of what's going on. This stock is called AMST Inc. It's an artificial intelligence-driven platform and course designer provided for online products in the United States. Okay. The company used machine learning to offer a mass customized experience to learners. It serves business universities and colleges K through 12 and nonprofit organization. It was incorporated back in 2017 in my hometown, Detroit, Michigan. So let's do a little more research on this thing right here. This one right here. Earnings have declined about 33% in the past year per year for the last 5 years, and it's highly volatile because we wasn't into what they're trying to sell. And it does not have a meaningful market cap. That means about $8 million. So, that's what my tool is saying. It was $1.31 at one point, and then it went downhill from there, that was 1 month ago. Then you have, they had some news, and nice to see CFO changes, and that was the last change they had. And then the last 7 days, they're about 28%. Okay, volatile over time. Founded. You can see it's all red. I picked them up. I say this is interesting. They're right behind this one. That's peer to growth. You look at them, the industry, in 2021, it was up about $9 at the peak. Okay. Now they, like I said, I picked them up 18 cents. The forecast consumers earn 29%. Let's see if they continue that stride. Historical have negative earnings. Okay. Financial health is good. There you go, financial position, short-term liability. They debt-free. They haven't had debt in 5 years. So that's good. Dividends, I don't expect them, a small company like that, to give out anything. Management, 3.5 years. Management only make this guy, this young lady, and $550,000. That's what she makes in compensation. Then the compensation versus market is good, experienced board. So they trying to do something. Look at that. Somebody's been buying, and the CEO, she bought at max price 20,000 shares at 33 cents in November. Insider buying was good. Institutions own a few things, and you can see Vanguard picked up a few, about 400 and some thousand, and so I wanted to show you this one just to, own her. Yeah, she got 20% stake. I mean, she's the CEO and 6 million shares. And she owns about $1 million worth of shares. The rest of them own their fair share. Now, we got about 12 minutes. Let's go back to the market now. Let's reshare or with a new share. There's a lot going on. I bought a lot of shares in the last week. You can see I went from whatever to about $7,000 in earnings to gains. I know this is my margin account, so that's like a large credit card. I had at the beginning where I had like $38,000 because I was losing from 2022. But so far this year, I gained almost close to 7, which is because I would have gained over 7, but you can see today that Tesla is not struggling. But you got to understand, they cut their prices, and we got to see what earnings is next week. So I bought them at 102 when they dropped all the way down. See, and they fight back and forth. So I done made about $1,900 if I want to take it out now, but I'm not going to do that because I got a good position at 102. I don't think I'm going to see 102 again. Prognosticator said I will, but we'll see. Apple was, I bought them at 124. It's up to 134. I'm not a financial advisor, but this makes sense. Now, look at this one right here. I bought this one at 18 cents. This is the one I just told you about. And look at it. They're up to 30 cents. More than double. Okay? They're up 71% gain this year already. They go up to $1, you know what I mean? I got 5,000. I went when I said 18,000, so okay, I buy 5,000 of them for about $900, less than 1,000. You can see I made a little bit of money. Look at Apple. Apple, really, I bought it at 85 cents, $85, excuse me, and they up to 98. So you can't beat that kind of return. 1.2. Apple gonna be Apple. That's why I got 100. I said I'm leaving. I'll buy it. I bought it. That's $8,000, but that's a lot. People say that's a lot of money. Well, yes it is. This one I picked up for my son. It produced, I bought it 47 when he told me about it. It's 49. I got 10 shares. Google, same thing. Google, I picked back up Google at 89. It's up to 92. Intel, I picked it up at 27. It's 29. It goes between 29 and 30. So I'm good. Mullen is my disappointment. I'm not disappointed. I made a little money on Mullen. So I draw them back down and see if they go back down again. I bought them at 37. It's down 35. But I got only 1,000 of them, so I'm buy some more when I'm wait till they get through dropping. Maybe they'll go down to 20 again. They go down to 20, and then that's good. SAVA is doing what it's doing. I bought it 27, it's 34. Made a little bit of money, and just like this one right here, I just keep my seed in the ground. It's still rumor buyout on this one. It depends on what they're gonna buy it out. I bought it at 59 cents. It's up to 64. I still made a little money. Sofa, look at that. I bought 489. It's up to 5 something. I made a little bit of money, and then T-Mobile. I mean, not T-Mobile. AT&T. And then we got Tesla, and then you got Warner Brothers. I still got 500 of these because they were down to 9. It was real down to 8 something. I bought 300 of them. Then I bought another 200 and pushed it up to 9. My position up to now almost $10. But it's $13, so I made a little money. Look how much money I made. This one should be about 40, and this one should be about at least 30. AT&T. So I got where the money I think it should be. This one right here, I just something about this one. I want to keep my seed in the ground on this one. I can go ahead and buy another 9,000 at what it is now, and let's see what it get. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and buy 9,000 of these because I waited till I think that's the bottom. So I want to make it at, let's see if I still, that's $600. Okay, so I get 10,000 of them. Let's see if it does anything. You know, if it don't, I don't worry about it. Okay. And then let's go to the next. Okay, that was my margin account. This is my personal account. I picked up a few, but these are still, I'm gonna keep an AM and my seed in the ground on this particular one right here. I'm keeping my eye on this one, AM, NE. This is this cryptocurrency one, you know. You got to keep your eye on this one because this one can go. I bought 26, it's at 42 cents. I mean, 42 cents. These are penny stock. This one right here was, I'm going to do something. This one is one that I picked up, and it was really low at the, it went low and then it went up, and then all of a sudden it went up 300%. So I bought it at the high peak, and it's still trying to do something. It's now they got good news, and they still going up. This is not like a pump. So I bought, like I said, I bought 100 of them. I'm gonna see if they can go back and see if what they gonna do. Okay. I just keep I made, look at that. Today it's made $94, $97, 21%. Okay. This one I still, you know, I bought at 7, is up to 9. This is one that said take me off the NASDAQ. And then you got this one right here. This one keep going lower and lower and lower and lower, you know. But I gotta wait on that. I'm gonna wait on this one until it start. This one was, like I say, it was $23, and then it flew down, and then they did an offering, but it has not stopped going down. So I want to keep, I'm gonna still watch this one. I might take this one out altogether, but I don't want to be caught. You know, when this one starts going, this stuff will go back up. If you do an offering for $11 and everybody buying, and you down now to $4 and something, you know, the folk who bought them for $11 want to get paid. So this is good. This is good medical stock, but it's medical, it's e-commerce medical. They're around the world. So I'll keep my eye on this one. I'm gonna put probably another $100 on this one. You know, when it get below $3, and I mean when it get like $3, I'm gonna go ahead and put another 100 on it. Okay. Fuel cells, and then this is one I picked up today that you know, this one was up high, and now, you know, I just bought 1,000 of them. I think this one gonna do something. There was some rumors about this one right here. So I'm gonna see what it do all week. It's only a couple $100. I take chances with these right here. All these it's $31 a share, and they're at that bottom. They were about a couple of $100. They're at the bottom, I think, now at 31. And let's see if that's the bottom. You know, this one right here, you just got to keep your eye on this one. I bought it at 100, at about $1.30 some cents, and then it went up to kept going up, and I bought 200 more, and now it's up to like $160 a share, $1.60 a share. And you can see it's made me a little money, 17%. This right here, you know, I just 300. Okay. We'll see with this one. We're gonna keep our eyes on this one. And XERX, I'm keeping my eyes on this one too. Okay. Remember, I bought it 117, it's 128 now. Okay. But I only got 100 of them. Then I go down to my business account, and it's doing good. It's this one right here, because I bought 1,000 of them when it was 109. It's 127, so it's up. Okay. It's up here, which is these two are deceiving. This is my penny stock. Okay. I want to just, and this one right here, I bought this one too. This is one of these bioscience medical stock that I at 289 is 304 is trying to get back. Okay. And I got about 3 minutes. You can tell, I'm just waiting. But this one right here, you really got to watch out. This one. This one here went up like 389%. And this is another, like medical type stock. It's up 27%, even with me. Okay, so I bought it 249. Let's see what happens. Remember, it was like 19 cents and it went up that fast. So, but I didn't catch it until it got about $2.49. And then it kept going down. Then now it's going back up. So I'm going to see where the end going to be. Now, we look at all of these together. Okay, this is where we are, folks, today. Look at that. You remember I'm with between 52,000. You remember last week I was at the year's end, I was at 45,000 total. Now it's 53. The only thing I put in like $900 because I wanted to capsize on the XERS and some of the others, the little ones I got. I said, okay, that'll be my share for any losers, any losses this year. So I didn't add it to it because I want to add some more money. I got some more money I want to throw while the market is still down because I think it's getting ready to rebound. A lot of people saying it's still got a lot of losing to do. But you can see, if you look at overall, look, again, it's been a winning week. Overall, I made over 8,000 this year. This is the key. And Tesla, you can't count Tesla. I know people don't like Tesla, but Tesla, you can't count these guys out. Look at that. It made me over $2,000. That's the winner. Even though it's losing, it's the winner. Tesla, people saying, well, Tesla's going down. It was major news today. Tesla went all the way down to 115. Look what it is at the end of the day. Back up to 122. This guy making money. Okay. It's done. And now after hours, it's dropping back down to 122, 130, and from 4. But this is the stock. You got to really look at this stock. It's going to be playing around. Then one day you're going to look up, this thing going to be $400. And that's why I kept 100 at 102. I'm going to keep 100 in the day. I don't even go down to 115. I got a good position. He said, they ain't going back up. You ain't going to get this back up to 3, 4, 500. Next week, they have earnings. The 2050 have earnings. And I want you guys to take note of that because they have good earnings. They slash price. So when you slash price, people go out and buy the product. Let me stop this. Okay, I made another $900 then. I'm up to 800. Over here saying year to day only after they take out their profit, I made 5,000. But after I traded a loss, those losers, the losing ones. But look at these guys. This guy 31. And this one's still going up, 31. Okay. I made 600 on this little one, 5,000. Apple doing what Apple do. Okay, I just want to show you the whole game. This guy got a lot of stocks, man. Yeah, you're right, I do. Well, one of these gonna be a runner. I keep, that's the hope. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing. I think Libby's happy again. Hey, Libby, you happy? Olivia, you happy? Yeah, so this is so we get ready to stop this. So God bless you, God keep you, God cause your face to shine on you. This is good. This is a good thing. So we're gonna turn it loose and we're gonna post this thing and you see for yourself. Last year, I ain't gonna do like I did last year, every 2 days. No, I'm not gonna do that. I want you to see how this market works. Subscribe to it, and then I'm gonna keep going. God bless you.